Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all WordPress content and start over and erase WordPress site and start over. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and look for WordPress.com and simply log into your WordPress account. And this is the homepage of WordPress as you can see over here. Here we are looking for the quick links option and right below it is the edit site option over here. Click on the edit site option and it will take you directly to the editor's page of WordPress. After you have reached the editor's page of WordPress, as you can see over here, there is an option in the right hand side that says template, and right below it is the blog home, and there is a three dot options that says action. Click on the three dot option and here you can see the reset option. Click on the reset option and it will ask you for confirmation that says reset to default and clear all customizations. After you have clicked the reset option, and your whole WordPress content will be deleted and you will start over again from scratch and from the beginning. So make sure that you are really certain about deleting or resetting your WordPress account because it is irreversible. You cannot actually reverse it or go back to your old post or old WordPress content. After you have done resetting, that's how you actually reset the WordPress content or delete the content of your WordPress account. Make sure that you are really sure about it because there is no going back. After you are done resetting, your WordPress will be simply like new and you will start over again. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.